Welcome to our presentation on trench hazards. A trench is a narrow excavation, meaning more narrow than long, cut into the Earth's surface. Generally, a trench has a depth greater than the width, and has a width less than 15 feet to be considered a trench. Dangers of trenching and excavation cave-ins pose the most significant risk, and are much more likely than other excavation-related accidents to result in worker fatalities. Other potential hazards include falls, falling loads, hazardous atmospheres, and incidents involving mobile equipment. 1 cubic yard of soil can weigh as much as a car. An unprotected trench is a significant safety threat. Never enter an unprotected trench. Never enter a trench unless a confident person has properly inspected it. Cave-in protection measures are in place. There is a safe way to enter and exit. Equipment and materials are away from the edge. It is free of standing water and has been checked for atmospheric hazards. Trenches 5 feet deep or greater require a protective system. Trenches 20 feet deep or greater need a protective system designed by a registered engineer. Protective systems for trenches. Slope or bench trench walls by cutting back the trench wall at an angle inclined away from the excavation. Shore trench walls by installing aluminium hydraulic or other types of supports to prevent soil movement. Shield trench walls by using trench boxes or other types of supports to prevent soil cave-ins. When done safely, trenching operations can reduce worker exposure to cave-ins, falling loads, hazardous atmospheres, and hazards from mobile equipment. OSHA standards require that trenches and protective systems be inspected daily, and as conditions change by a competent person before work begins. Safety is the most crucial element of any endeavor. A trench is a particular type of man-made excavation, and requires special care to protect workers from grave dangers. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to see your supervisor.